Hey, Coach Lane here. It is Tuesday, June 30th. It's 3 o'clock Eastern Time. I didn't get much of a chance to work the market this morning. I had an appointment to get to. So I did think I would come back and take a look, which is pretty abnormal for me. I didn't do anything this morning. Just didn't see the look. Didn't get the look I wanted anywhere, so I just thought I'd take a peek around here this afternoon, and there's about an hour left in the market, and it is setting up for us. So if it's going to give us a shot, we're going to take it. This market should, the red line is the last hour of the market, so we should come to about right here, that yellow line that just appeared. That's where the market should go right away here, and then it should carry on up to there. So let's see here, my second part of my trade was there, so I'm going to move one tick so that I average up to 2.2. Because I got filled in two orders, part of my trade would have got 2.1, part of it would have got 2.2, so I did move my target up. Get rid of that yellow line. That was just unfinished business on the 8. Coming into this zone, it could cause a pullback, but any pullback would just be to go up higher, so could pull back even into this eagle. Biggest place it would pull back to would be to this hawk and then up. So regardless of what it does, this will get up there. Like I said, it should go up to this line. This is the unfinished business from the 32. Market's usually a lot slower in the afternoon, so hopefully this doesn't take too long. Yeah, wake up here and finish. Just love how at any time of the day you can take a trade and make money. That's just the coolest part. Oh, there we go. Perfect. Perfect. Another successful 2.2 trade. 4 contracts. $450 US profited on this trade. I'll flip you over to the 8 for a second and show you what I was looking at. I didn't really get a chance to set this one up, but wave 3, I think this was the 3 here. I don't think this was 3 shallow 4, just because this isn't where a 4 goes to on Power Pro. So I'm going to have one more push, then the big drop. So we need to get back up above this line, but these were the kind of 2 immediate targets. And I could have extended that trade to this yellow line. It's going to go there. I mean, the charts just say it's going to go there, but I did want to just get a 2.2 in and then prepare for my class here at 2:30 local time here in Calgary. So nice 1-2, push off the hawk, traveler still above the hawk, Power Pro holds, 1-2, Power Pro holds, eagle above the hawk. Oh, I'm talking about the 3, I'm sorry. Nice 1-2, pull back to the hawk on the 4, 1-2, pull back to the eagle. All white bars on the 4. Just so many reasons to take that trade. Couple targets. So happy with that trade, and we will get this posted for you all to see. And as always, if you have any questions, reach out to me or visit the Day Trading Coach website at daytrading.coach. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon.